Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to cancel subscription on Google Play. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to cancel Google Play subscription, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Google Play Store application. So search for Play Store on your phone, open it, and then sign in with the same Gmail account or Google account where you made the subscription. After that, click on the profile picture at the top right. Then locate and click on Payment and Subscriptions. Now locate and click on Subscriptions. Now under Subscription, you should see your active subscription. Now to cancel your Play Store subscription on any application, just go ahead and click on the application. Then you should see Manage Subscription. Then locate and click on Cancel Subscription. After that, the spot that says you need to choose the reason why you want to cancel your Google Play subscription. Click on the options here. So just choose any reason why you are planning to cancel the subscription. So just go ahead, click on cancel subscription, and then hang on. Then you should say subscription will be cancelled. Now your subscription is going to be cancelled after your active subscription, and then instead of you to have your next billing cycle at the end of the current subscription, then you should say cancelled, and then you are good. So that is exactly how to cancel Google Play Store subscription on your phone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.